The Volkswagen Tiguan belongs to a rare breed of compact crossovers that also offer a third row of seats. Only the Kia Sorento, Mitsubishi Outlander and Dodge Journey can say the same. There's a reason for that. Packing up to 7 passengers in a small crossover is no easy feat. The VW Tiguan, though, provides impressive space, provided only children occupy the third row. The Tiguan also has an impressive batch of clever tech features, which are easy to use, and a wealth of driving assistance aids. But this is not a driver's car. Its turbocharged engine lacks both performance and fuel economy ratings worth gushing over. Changes are minor for the 2021 model year, leaving the Tiguan as a tech-forward, classy crossover hampered by its lackluster feel on the road. If the third row of seats is little more than a nice-to-have feature, take a look at the 2-row Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5 or Subaru Forester. Which Tiguan does Edmunds recommend? Higher trims of the Tiguan become very flashy very fast, so we like the SE and its modest yet convenient standard features. With it, you'll get upgraded cabin materials plus heated front seats for added comfort. We especially like the technology included, such as abundant USB ports and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on an 8-inch touchscreen. Volkswagen Tiguan models. The 2021 Tiguan is available in 5 trim levels: S, SE, SER Line Black, Cell and Cell Premium R Line. All models are powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, 184 horsepower, 221 pounds-foot of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. A third row of seats is standard on front-wheel drive models and optional on all-wheel drive versions.